Hi, boys and girls. I got a new book recently, and I know that you're going to like it because it has one of our favorite characters in it. Does he look familiar? Yeah, I thought so too. He kind of looks like Pete the Cat. Harper Collins Publishing, right? So, but let me let you see here. He looks a little different. That's because this book isn't about Pete the Cat, the big kid. This is about Pete the kitty. When he was little. Don't you like to hear stories about when you were little, when you were a baby? I know my kids do. And this story is about when Pete was little. The title or the name of the book is Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup. Hiccup. Have you ever had the hiccups before? Me too. Sometimes it gets a little annoying. And in this story, Pete has to figure out what is he going to do to get rid of them. Do you have any ideas? What could Pete do to get rid of his hiccups? Hiccup! All right, let's find out. The author's name, by the way, and he's the illustrator too, he does both, is James Dean. He drew the pictures and wrote the words. Pete the Cat. No, not the cat. Pete the Kitty and the Case of the Hiccups. Hiccup? Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asks his friend, Grumpy Toad, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Grumpy Toad. You need to stand on one foot. Why don't you try doing that? Can you stand on one foot? How long can you stand on one foot? Oh, Pete's going to try. See? Pete stands on one foot, but hiccup! Pete still has the hiccups. Hiccup! We have to come up with another plan. So Pete asks his friend Callie, another character star of the book. Callie, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Callie. You stand on one foot and then hop up and down. That's a really fun way. I hope that works for him. Do you know how to hop on one foot? Hop, hop, hop. It's one of my daughter's favorite things to do is hop on one foot. Here we go. He's going to try it. Here's Pete. Pete stands on one foot. He hops up and down. Hop, hop, hop. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Gotta come up with a third plan. Do you notice my book has page numbers? I noticed that we just read number 12 and 13. I wonder what comes next. 12, 13, 14. Right. So Pete's next plan is to ask his friend Gus. Here's Gus. Pete asks Gus, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. That's a lot of things to do at once. So can you do that? Stand on one foot, hop up and down, and sing a song all at the same time. Go ahead, try it. I'll turn the page while you're trying it. Let's see if Pete can do it too. Pete stands on one foot, he hops up and down, and he sings a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Look how his ears changed now. I wonder why his little ears are curving like that. Hiccup, hiccup. Maybe his feeling has changed. He looks a little frustrated. He's trying and trying, but it's not working. So Pete asks Bob, his big brother, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song and rub your belly at the same time. So Pete does it. That's going to be hard. It's a lot of things to do at the same time. He's trying to do it on a surfboard here too. Now that makes it even more challenging. But, hiccup! Nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccups. Go ask Mom, says Bob. Moms usually have some great ideas. Pete asks Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, says Mom. You need to take a deep breath, like our belly breaths that we do. We'd like to put our hand on our belly, take deep breaths. Usually we like to take more than one too to feel calm, right? So that's what Pete does. He takes a deep breath. And Mom then tells him to hold your breath just for a little bit and blow it out. So Pete does just that. Look at his face. His eyes got big. His mouth is in a circle now. Right? I hope this one works for him. Pete then blows out his breath. That's it? Pete asks. That's it, says Mom. Pete waits. And he waits. And he waits some more. And guess what? The hiccups are finally gone. Moms are so smart. Great book to read right before Mother's Day. Remember, Mother's Day is coming May 10th, so make sure you give your moms extra hugs and kisses. Okay, boys and girls? Have a great day. Miss you.